Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling live voicemail in Settings because the feature requires both system and carrier support. Open Settings, tap Phone, and toggle live voicemail on. Once done, allow transcript permission. Make sure your iPhone runs iOS 17 or later and that you have an active cellular plan or Wi-Fi calling enabled. Also enable notifications and unlock previews with Face ID or Touch ID so you can read. Once live voicemail is active, incoming calls show a live transcript while the caller speaks, so you can read intent before answering. Watch the text update in real time. If it's urgent, tap Accept to pick up mid-message, or tap Decline to send them to voicemail while you keep the transcript. After the message completes, choose Reply with Text to respond quickly or call back to return the call. This saves time when screening unknown numbers. To finish, review the saved voicemail audio and edit the transcript if words are wrong because automatic transcription isn't perfect. Make sure message playback and transcription are enabled in phone settings. If transcripts stop appearing, reset network settings or toggle live voicemail off and on. Make sure microphone access is granted. If messages fail to deliver or the feature is missing, contact your carrier to confirm live voicemail support and provisioning so everything works.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.